Okay, so yes, I just had a failed recording, so I had to basically erase everything I did. So I think we were here. We had just the buttons built in, and yeah, nothing really in. I don't know if we had commands or not. Let me check just a second. I think we did. Yeah, we did. So we had the commands, we had all that stuff. Now's a question of, whoa, what the hell? There we go. So now it's a question of assigning these buttons. We don't need code for this. We could, but we don't. Application, well, these things down here are basically the different actions I can commit, or I can make the buttons do. And application is the one that has the actions that will affect other applications. Not sure if you got that, but basically if I CTRL, so press CTRL and drag it down here, wait for a while, and then hide other applications, because this is exactly what you want to happen. You want to hide all other applications, so you click hide other applications, then unhide, you just do the same thing, but you do unhide just a second. You do unhide all applications, then quit. Instead of there saying a quit button, which I don't see anywhere, I don't know if you do, but I don't see, it's called terminate. And terminate, it has a little thing here because it's already assigned. And what it's assigned to is the menu item quit, which makes sense. So there you go. Now I could assign this menu item also to that. Basically, if you do this, then it'll perform a click on here, which, yeah, it doesn't really matter. But okay, you don't have to do that. Now save this. Now, you have it all set up. Now what you want to do is assign some key commands, because it just makes it easier for the user. So you go on hide, on the button attributes, key equivalent, and when it's blue around the field, you need to type something in. For example, command H. Unhide, do the same thing. There. Quit, you do the same thing. There. Then you take the hide button here and you assign it to the hide, or you assign the hide command to the hide button, and you do perform click. Then you assign unhide to unhide perform click, and then you tell hide it has a key equivalent, which is H, there, and it'll show up there, and same here. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's all I can really show you right now, because otherwise it'll get too complicated. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. Then to run it, all you gotta do is Apple Shift R, which is right here, build and go in XCode. So let's do that. Boom, there we've got our application. Right now, yeah, there you go. The buttons, if you make it smaller, the buttons don't move. So they stay where they are. So we're gonna fix that in a second. Let's see, yeah, that's good. Hide. Okay, it works. That's all we need to know for now. It works. Now, resizing. So, go on hide, first button. You go over here, just a second, there you go, to button size. And then you want to auto size it in this. See, you want it basically, you just look at this and then that's what you want it to be. I want it to be at the top. Same for this one. And I want it to keep its top position, its height position, and its width position. It can basically, what it says, it can auto size its height. Here it says it can auto size everything, meaning the button can get as small as possible, which I'll just do that for you right now. Here, if you have this, then and if you save it, just make it like that. Save it again, build and run in Xcode. If you auto size it, the buttons will get smaller and smaller and smaller, but they won't mix up or anything. And this is pretty cool too. And the commands work too. I'm typing in the commands just for your information. So that works. I guess that's the better way to do it. That's probably the better way to do it. Personally, I did it like this, which works too, but I guess you could do like this. When you're finished, you want to quit Interface Builder, and that's it for Interface Builder. I'm gonna make the fourth video, or are we at 4? Yeah, we are at 4. I want to make the fourth video then on how to continue with making your app yours.